Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your block user list on Facebook, and this is on the PC version, right? So once you're inside your Facebook, whether you're on your own page or wherever, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, then it will take you right into those settings and privacy. Now on the lower left hand side, you want to scroll down, guys, to where you'll find blocking. So click on that, and from here you will have the option in the list that says block users. Now if you click on edit, what's gonna happen, you will see you receive this pop-up, and from here you have two options. You have see block list, which is where you will be click to see all the people that you've blocked, and also you have the option to add to block list. So if you click on that plus, you can search for a user, put in their name, and you can basically add that person to your block list, right? So as I said, you can always go ahead and click on see block list, and it will show up all the people that you have blocked in the past. And that's all, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.